What's up YouTube? Today we will be showing a very short video this time, but a very important one nevertheless. Today we will discuss how to change the devices, the bidding on those devices in an existing campaign. So without further ado, I will tell you exactly how to do that in the home page itself. If you scroll down, and right now it's showing less and show more, click on show more and then go to devices. Simple as that. Once you do that, you will find this kind of a list. So what do these dashes mean? That there has been no change to those campaigns up until now. But now, suppose for example, if I want to reduce the bid adjustment in this particular campaign, we select decrease. Suppose if we decrease by 10, that means that you want to bid 10% less vis-a-vis the other devices. Suppose if you choose 100, what does that mean? If suppose you choose 100, that means that you don't want to bid on tablets at all. So again, it depends on what you want to do. If again, of course, plus 100 would mean that you're doubling those bids for tablets itself. Whereas when it comes to mobile phones, you might want to do exactly the opposite, because nowadays everyone is using search engines via mobiles only. So you could do this, or rather you could go for something like 20. 20 would do the trick, and you could reduce the computer's bid adjustment by 100%. So here it is. That's how you reduce or increase the bid adjustment on various devices. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will return to you with more useful videos in the future. So I will see you next time.